Hello friend, welcome to this Photoshop for Brand Identity series. In this series, we will learn basic graphic design using Photoshop. At the end of this series, you will get comfortable using Photoshop for your brand identity design. The Photoshop version I'm going to be using in this course is Photoshop 2017. And if you can use this version, then you can use other versions. Let's start by getting ourselves familiar with the Photoshop dashboard. In the middle of the dashboard is the canvas. The canvas area shows the image or design you are working in. So let's look at the upper section in the Photoshop dashboard, which is also called the menu bar. It includes a series of drop-down menus that provide access to most of Photoshop tools and functions you will need. Below the menu bar, you have two option bar. This bar changes based on the tool you have selected and provide additional settings for each tool. For example, the move tool is selected, but if I change it to the eraser tool, the top option bar will also change. If we look at the left side, you see this vertical toolbar. It contains tools for editing, selecting, drawing, and manipulating elements in the image. Tools visible here include the move tools at the top, the lasso tool for selection, the brush tool for painting, the eraser tool, the pen tool, the text tool, the shape tool, the gradient tool, the zoom tool, and others. The layer panel is on the right side and shows all the layers in your project. For example, if I move the intro design beneath layer 0, it becomes invisible, and if I reverse it, it becomes visible. You can add, delete, and rearrange layers here to control which part of the image that is visible and in what order you want to arrange them. If you look at the Properties tab, it provides controls and settings based on the selected layer or object. It is an essential panel for quick edits and adjustment, and it is designed to change based on your active selection. But in this video, we will start with the menu bar. On the menu bar, the first section is the file. The file contains options for opening, closing, and saving and exporting of files. The edit section provides options for basic editing tasks like undo, cut, copy, paste, and free transform for maybe resizing, rotating, and transforming objects. You can also use the advanced options for content-aware fill, puppet wrap, and preferences to customize Photoshop settings. The image sections controls the image adjustments such as brightness, contrast, level, curves, hue and saturation, color balance, and others. It can also include options for image size, canvas size, and image rotation. The layer section contains all layer-related functions such as creating new layers, duplicating layers, merging layers, and creating layer masks. It also provides options for layer size, adjustments, and layer arrangement. The select sections offer selection-related functions, which include select all, select, reselect, and inverse selection. The filter section provides access to Photoshop filter, which includes blur, sharpen, distort, noise, and many others. It can also include filter like maybe the filter gallery, where you can apply artistic effects to images. The 3D sections contains options to create, edit, and manipulate 3D objects within Photoshop. Here you can convert layers to 3D, adjust lighting, and render your 3D effects. The view sections control how you view your document. It allows you to zoom in, zoom out, and navigate with picked on screen or actual pixel. It also includes options for guides, rulers, and grids, and toggling between screen modes. The window sections allow you to show or hide panel and workspace. You can also customize your workspace here by enable and or maybe disabling the panel like layers, history, colors, and the others. The help section contains resources for Photoshop help, tutorials, and support. I don't want this video to be long. We will continue exploring the Photoshop dashboard and tools in the coming videos. Please subscribe to this channel to see more valuable content like this. See you in the next video.